Welcome to the final week of our Business Refresh Challenge, and congratulations on reaching this milestone. Now it's time to bring everything together and complete our Refresh Business Action Plan. First, let's walk through the process of setting clear goals and outlining actionable steps to achieve them. Then we'll need to organize our tasks and create a timeline. We have to prioritize our actions and manage our time in order to be productive. And finally, let's talk accountability. We need strategies to stay focused, motivated, and hold ourselves accountable as we work toward our business goals. So join us in the group chat for the final week of our Business Refresh Challenge, and we'll send your business action plan and marketing strategy template. Let's end this fourth quarter with a refreshed action plan for our business so we can start the new year with a solid foundation for success.